Hello and welcome to Skull Sunday at the Dragon's Cave. Skull Sunday is a monthly collaboration organised by myself and Loula Nerd Goblin. This is a gorgeous 3D printed skull mask. It's printed a little smaller than I'd originally thought it was going to, but that doesn't matter. I'm probably not going to talk very much at all through this video, hopefully. I'm just going to play you some music because I think it's kind of self-explanatory what's going on here. So using this brush, I'm going to start by going over this. Now, I'm going to let that dry. I might possibly put another layer or two of white on there. And then I will be back for the next part. See you in a sec. Okay, just put a little more white on there, but then I decided to leave it. I'm going to start with the flowers. I'm going to start with like purple in the center, working out. I think I'm going to make a start on the other lines as well with the colours. I'm just going to this isn't going to be perfect because my eyesight is it's quite difficult for me to actually follow the lines. Like I said, I don't actually like this at all, so I'm going to see if I can attempt to cover it with something like this, or most of it at least. I'm still diddling about the colour of the flowers. I'm not 100% sure that I actually like that. Think about it. I'll be back in a sec. Yeah, so I decided the red was a bit too bright, really. So what I've done is I'm using this burgundy, and I'm just, again, kind of dry brushing over it. Kind of blend it a bit. Well, I think that looks better than the bright red. And I think that is... I am disappointed about this part. I shouldn't have done the colours I did, but I think changes, adding a little bit of silver over the top of it has helped quite a bit. I'm actually really pleased with the pink and the blue there. It's just this part that overall I'm not thrilled by. But it's fine. It is complete. And I'm actually astounded by myself because it is Saturday today. It's not quite lunchtime, and I have finished my video that's not going out until tomorrow. I haven't finished the videos going out today, but that's an entirely different matter. Hey. Oh dear. Okay, if you've made it this far, please give us a thumbs up. Check out the rest of the Skull Sunday playlist down here. Thanks very, very much to all my subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you'd consider doing that, because it doesn't cost you anything. And it does help my channel out a lot. So thanks again. Bye-bye.
It's the end of the month and the glues come out. Glitter in the air, hear the crafters shout. Got resin setting on a window ledge. Crochet hooks dancing on the table edge. Clay's getting kneaded, paint's coming alive. It's Skull Sunday, yeah, the vibes are right. Doesn't matter what you make, just bring your art along. Every skull's invited, every style belongs. Skull Sunday, we craft the night away. Mica powder swirling like a galaxy in Skull Sunday, come join the magic place. Send your love to Karen at the Dragon's Cave, or Loula over at Nerd Goblin Art today. It's Skull Sunday, create your heart your way. Paper matching monsters with a wicked grin. Crocheted little cuties with button eyes stitched in. Epoxy shines bright like a gem in flame, where makers dream chasers, yeah, we sign our name. From creepy to cute, from spooky to sweet. Every crafter's welcome, grab a